Module 4 Advanced Formatting and Layout. Hey everyone, welcome back to Mastering Microsoft Word from total beginner to advanced user. If the last module made you feel like a pro, get ready because Module 4 is where your document becomes beautiful, balanced, and professionally designed. Today we are diving into advanced layout, the kind used for newsletters, reports, CVs, and even small books. So grab your coffee and open Microsoft Word and let's get started. Section 4.1 Advanced Page Layout. And in this session we are going to learn all about columns, section breaks, and layout report for newsletters and books. Let's start with something super useful, and that is columns. If you are creating newsletters, magazines, brochures, or anything with a modern layout, this feature is your best friend. To add columns, go to the Layout tab and click on Columns. Choose 1, 2, 3, left or right, or select more columns to customize width and spacing. Let's see this in action. Currently, my document is set to 1 column. To change the columns, highlight the text and click on Columns. Now you can select 2, and this changes the layout to 2 columns. You can also change it from 2 to 3, or use the left column or right column. Let's learn how to apply more columns. Click on More Columns, and this will allow you to change the width and spacing between the columns. For instance, when we increase the width and click OK, now you can see the changes that have taken place. Let me also increase the spacing. Note that when I was selecting the text, I did not select the title. If I had selected the title would be placed above column 1 and not shared between column 1 and 2. Let's also learn how to apply section breaks. Now, columns get really powerful when combined with section breaks. Section breaks let you change the layout of one part of a document without affecting the rest. For example, if you want the first page to be a single column and the second page to be a 2 column, or you want some pages horizontal and others vertical, you can do all this with section breaks. Let's see this in practice. Let's go back to layout and section breaks. You can choose next page, continuous, even page, and odd pages to apply to your document. A continuous section is perfect for switching from one column layout to another on the same page. Let's talk about a real-world application. If you are creating a report, you use page margins, page numbers, table of contents, and consistent styles. For newsletters, you use columns, image with wrap text, section breaks, decorative headings, and also drop caps. For books or long documents, you need alternating headers, chapter title pages, different first page layout, larger inner margins, and that is ideal for binding your document. These are professional level layout techniques and Word handles them beautifully. Working with themes and designs. In this session, we are going to learn how to use document themes, color palette and font sets. Themes help you keep your documents, color, font, and designs consistent across every element. To do this, let's go to the Design tab and click on Themes. Let's hover our mouse over each theme and watch the screen carefully to see the changes that takes place. Click on any of the themes that you desire to apply. A theme changes your entire document. Headings, colors, tables, smart art. Everything gets a matching style. Still under design, click on colors. This lets you mix and match color palettes and font combinations. You can choose any color palette that you want from the list. Let's click on font. Here you can also choose the font type that you want for your document. And with just a few clicks, your entire document is formatted for you, making your document become visually appealing. Using templates for professional documents. In this session, you will learn how to use template for resume creation, letters, reports, and certificates. Now here's something that will save you hours, and that is using templates. Seriously, don't start every document fresh from scratch. Microsoft Word has hundreds of beautifully designed templates. To access this, let's go to File and click on New. Search for Resume. Here you would need internet connectivity. Pick a modern, creative or classic style. Click on Create and the template will be downloaded for you. Now you can replace the placeholder with your own text. And just like that, you have professional CV in a minute. Also, if you need a formal letter, just search in the document gallery. There are letterheads, professional business format, and clean simple designs. Let's take a quick look at Word template for reports. We can search for school report, business report, company summary, or project analysis. They already include headings, cover pages, and formatted sections for you to just fill your content. Select any type and create. Just like reports and others, Word comes with template for certificate. Let's search for certificate, and Word presents you with a lot of designs for you to choose from. We have achievement certificate, appreciation certificate, award certificate, and these are perfect for schools, churches, and small businesses. You can choose any one and create. Just change the placeholder with your own text. And just like that, you have a certificate in front of you. With this, we have come to the end of Module 4. Today, you learned how to transform a simple document into a beautiful, structured, professional-looking design. Columns, session break, themes, templates. These are the same tools used in magazines, reports, resumes, and even books. In the next module, we'll jump into automation tools like Find and Replace, Quick Paths, and Table of Contents, the feature that save you hours of work. But first, it's assignment time. Practical assignment on Module 4. Assignment 1, columns and session breaks. Create a 2-page document that includes page 1. Let it have a title, an introduction paragraph in one column. Page 2. Create a 2-column layout. At least let it have one image with text wrapping. And finally, use section breaks to control your layout. Assignment 2. Apply a theme to your document. Change the color palette and then also change the font set. Observe how the entire document changes. Assignment 3. Choose one template from Word's gallery. You can choose resume, letter, report, or certificate and fill it with a simple information. Customize the colors, fonts, images, and headings. Bonus challenge. This is optional. Create a 4-page mini newsletter using columns, session breaks, a header with page numbers, at least one image, and add a smart art diagram. Good luck, and when you are ready, I'll see you in Module 5, where we'll start unlocking Word's automation power. Thank you and bye for now.